In today's video, I'm going to show you how to download a Telegram private group video on PC, quickly and easily. This is a simple method that works in Telegram Web, and it's perfect if you want to save a video from a private group directly to your computer for offline viewing. If this tutorial helps you out, make sure to hit the like button and subscribe for more step-by-step tech videos just like this. Alright, let's jump right in. First, open Telegram Web in your browser and sign in to your account. Once you're logged in, you'll see your chats on the left side of the screen. Now go ahead and open the private group chat that contains the video you want to download. After the chat opens, scroll through the messages until you find the video. Click the video once to open it in the player. At this point, it's important to wait for the video to fully load. Depending on your internet speed, this may take a few moments, so give it time to buffer completely before you continue. Once the video is loaded, look toward the top right corner of the video window and click the download icon. This will start saving the video directly to your PC. After the download finishes, the file will usually be found in your Downloads folder, unless you've changed your browser settings. You can open File Explorer, go to Downloads and confirm that the video is there. From there, you can play it, move it, or keep it stored for later use. And that's all there is to it. You've now learned how to download a Telegram private group video on PC using Telegram Web. If this video helped you, don't forget to like, subscribe, and turn on notifications for more easy tutorials like this one. Thanks for watching, and I'll see you in the next video.